Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about LR parsing model, which consists of a stack, an input tape, algorithm and a parsing table. Welcome again, and what we are discussing here is the LR parsing algorithm. Okay, so how does this LR parser works? And this is the typical arrangement of it, and it is somewhat similar to this the working of your non-recursive predictive parser. Like in that arrangement we had the input, so there is an input tape over here, there is an input tape, and there also we had a stack. So here also we are having the stack, the entire stack we are having in this case, and this is the LR parsing algorithm, whatever it will be, we'll see here after this. And there will be a table which is consist of action table and go to table. Action is on terminals, as I told you, and dollar, and go to is on non-terminal. So there is a two part of the table, terminals and non-terminals. But here one of the interesting thing you notice here is that there is it is written in somewhat syntax here, S0 x1 and then S1. Okay, so now here X is a symbol, X is a grammatical symbol, grammar symbol. Okay, X is a grammar symbol, so it can be terminal or non-terminal, it can be anything. But S0 is nothing but the state. Okay, and state of what? State of LR0 collection. So now in this stack will maintain the state, which state we are in, I0, I1 or S0, S1. So we'll maintain in the stack will be maintaining this state, and the second one it will maintain here is this is input. So state and input will be maintained over there. Okay, then what is the action here? There is a two actions are there, two typical actions are there here, and one of the action is your shift, and the meaning of shift is pushing symbol, whatever it will be, on the stack and go to new symbol, go to new state. This is one action, shift, and the another action that we are having is the reduce action, so reduction, reduce. And how does it reduction works, we'll discuss. Okay, so this is the arrangement, and we'll see the algorithm after this. Okay, so how does the algorithm works here? I'll explain you, then I'll give you the practical example that will make the things more clear to you. Okay, algorithms are not very easy without an example. Okay, so let's understand LR parsing algorithm.